What are EAD and AP for immigration adjustment of status? Have you ever wondered what documents can make your journey through the U.S. immigration system smoother? When applying for adjustment of status using Form I-485, two key documents come into play: the Employment Authorization Document and Advance Parole. Let's break down what these documents are and why they matter. The Employment Authorization Document, often referred to as EAD, is essentially a work permit. It allows individuals with a pending Form I-485 application to work legally in the United States while their green card application is being processed. To obtain an EAD, you need to file Form I-765, which is the application for employment authorization. Along with this form, you will need to include some supporting documents. These typically include a copy of your Form I-485 receipt notice and a government-issued identification. Once you submit your application, it usually takes about 2 to 3 months to receive your EAD. It is important to note that until you receive your EAD, you cannot work legally in the United States. When granted, the EAD provides you with the freedom to work for any employer. This can be especially important for Latino families who may need to support themselves financially during the adjustment process. The EAD is valid for a specific period, and you can renew it by applying in advance. Now, let's talk about Advance Parole, commonly known as AP. This is a travel document that allows individuals with a pending adjustment of status application to leave the United States temporarily and return without abandoning their application. If you leave the country without AP while your Form I-485 is pending, it could be seen as abandoning your application, which may lead to denial. Advance Parole is especially useful for Latino families who may need to travel back to their home countries for emergencies or family matters during the green card process. To apply for AP, you will need to submit Form I-131, which is the application for travel document. Once approved, Advance Parole allows you to re-enter the United States without needing a visa, as long as you return before the AP expires. However, it is important to remember that Advance Parole is strictly for travel purposes and does not grant work authorization. Work permission is only through the Employment Authorization Document. For families applying for adjustment of status, both the Employment Authorization Document and Advance Parole play significant roles. The Employment Authorization Document allows you to work legally while waiting for your green card, and Advance Parole enables you to travel outside the United States without losing your application status. It is advisable to apply for both documents early after filing Form I-485 to avoid delays in your work or travel plans. Always keep copies of all documents and follow the instructions from U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services carefully to ensure smooth processing.